guys, today we're going to be showing you how we find our toads.
And also, when she said guys, she means girls too.
Okay, first we have to make sure you get your box, bowl, or container ready to put the toad in. And then we can start looking. Let's check over here.
Oh, we got one! You should hold it like this because it pees when it's scared. So you should make sure you don't get it all over your hands. And if you do, make sure you wash your hands extra good when you go inside. Now you can put it in the habitat you made. Let's go check another spot. Come on, Liv. Hey, this is a nice, cool, and dark area. Let's check if there's anything in there. And remember, not all places you would find toads. Yep, that place is a toad. So let's find another place.
Sometimes we like to find toads in dark areas without any dirt. Let's try this place.
Good idea.
Toad! Okay, that one. We found another one! Whoa! We're double lucky today. So far, we found 3 toads. Whoa, we found another toad, guys!
This is Buddy and this is Sam. Buddy is a mother of 3. This is Diana and this is Slimer. They are sisters.
You know how to tell if a toad is male or female if you watched our last video. Be sure to watch it after this video if you haven't watched it yet.
By the way, all the toads we have are girls.
Sometimes we can find some under here because you just have to poke leaves, big pile of leaves. And if it moves, then try to uncover it and see if it's a toad.
So be careful because there could be snakes.
Oh no!
And poisonous newts.
Not right here. Sometimes you can find toads on the edge of your houses where the grass is tall.
Oh God! No! It crawled into a crack. Oh no! Oh no! It crawled into a crack.
Well, that one got away, but that's okay. We'll find him in some other time. Before you go inside, make sure you put the toads right back where you found them so you can find them again. Also, so they don't get lost from their habitat.
Yep, that's what we do.
Thank you for looking for toads with us. Make sure whenever you're looking for toads, you always have an adult with you. Love you.
We're totally awesome.
Yay.